This is the iron removal tool video. Right now I'm working on position 2. First you would remove the fixture, and you're going to put on your iron removal tool. It's locked into position so that when we spin it around, our iron base will fall perfectly on top of these pillars. So first step after mounting this in place of your fixture, we're going to go into manual mode. I'm already in manual mode, and we're going to rotate the table around. Just like so. After that, we will remove the front plexi guard by undoing these 4 knobs.
Oh, you think together? Why? We're gonna think about
After those knobs are removed, you can just slide your front plexi guard right off, like so. Go set that down where it won't get scratched up. From there, we'll now lower the head onto the pillars. To do that, you'll come over here to your air regulator. I'll turn your air off. And now we're going to bleed it down manually by opening this bleed valve. When we do that, the head will drop and the iron base will land up on the pillars. So let me get the camera set up. Give you a little bit of a zoom in. Now I'm going to manually bleed the head down like so. It should fall just like so. Once you've done that, then you can take your screws out that mount the iron base to the thermal head. Right now, usually there are 8 screws that mount the iron base to the thermal head, 4 in the front, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 in the back. But right now I only have the 4 corners in, just for the sake of video. Best to use some type of short 5/32 Allen wrench to do this, just because we're working in tight quarters. After the front screws are out, we'll head over to the back of the machine. Here, we're going to remove this back plexi guard. We're going to have to take off these 6 knobs, just similar to what we did in the front. Those are off. You can just slide the back plexi off. And now you can access those other 2 screws. So we have one on this corner right here, and then one over on this corner right here. We'll start with this one. to the final corner here. Now that we have all of those removed, I'm going to come back over to the front of the machine. Now we're going to want to raise our head back up. Now that the iron base isn't bolted onto the thermal head any longer, it'll stay right on these pillars. So to do that, we'll have to close our bleed valve. We're going to turn our air back on, and the head will rise. Just set the camera up so you can see that. So now I'm going to put air into the system. A little bit of a bang. That's because I just went kind of quick, but there you have it.